Nightlife in Delhi is mostly about partying and enjoying food. People traveling to long routes often search for dhabas to satiate their hunger. Cafes, coffee, theatres, cinemas, and pubs. Delhi is much more than this. Delhi is about food served from heart, which belongs to hearts. If you are on your way to Murthal, an array of dhabas will be visible to you on the GT road. Starting from the not so famous to the very famous ones, the GT road is full of them. Our stop was the most happening Amriq Sukhdev Dhaba, which was jam-packed with people coming from all directions. This place was once a typical dhaba serving its customers who were mostly truck drivers on charpais. If you're searching for yummy food and want to enjoy a long drive, head up straight away to Amriq Sukhdev Dhaba, which is 60 kilometers away from Delhi, a perfect hangout after a tireful week. Amriq Sukhdev Dhaba has been an impromptu choice of the Delhites since long. The tandoori parathas with a handful of special white butter on top, the kesar pista kheer, meethi lassi and chai are some of the most wanted food stuff here. Also, the mixed pickle made here itself is in much demand. A lot of people prefer visiting the Amriq Sukhdev Dhaba to enjoy their weekends and learn about the fascinating story of Sardar Prakash Singh, who decided to start this place to feed the travelers.
ये 1956 में बहुत छोटा ढाबा था। चाय आप मान के चलो, चाय की दुकान थी एक, चाय की दुकान, बिस्किट जैसे छोटा मोटा काम, ऐसा था ये सरदार प्रकाश सिंह इसमें के मैनेजमेंट कंट्रोलर एमडी साहब हमारे, वो उनके पिताजी थे। चाय की दुकान थी बहुत छोटी, इसके बाद उससे थोड़ा प्रोग्रेस किया तो ये छोटा सा ट्रक ढाबा बना, छोटा सा ट्रक ढाबा हुआ। इस पर ट्रक ड्राइवर आते थे, खाना खाते थे। पहले यहाँ की सर्विस होती थी चारपाई पे, मंजी पे खिलाते थे ट्रक ड्राइवरों को।
This dhaba has come a long way since it was first started. The kitchens are open day and night with busy hands preparing food for the hungry customers. Large tandoors are kept in line for the parathas and other tandoori items. There are food counters at the eating area serving large variety of items ranging from cakes, pastries, sweets to the chatpata items like chole bhature, pav bhaji and yummy golgappes. Once just a stopover for travelers, this busy roadside restaurant has now become a destination in itself.